Okay, right now we in question B. They say that if sine beta equals to square root 2 over square root 11 and cos beta is less than 0, then in number 1 they say that in which quadrant is angle B is angle beta. Right, let me just draw that Cartesian plane in a much clear environment, right, like this. Right now remember, we have theta, ne? And then in theta here, ne, we have that sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta. They are all positive here, ne? And then this side we have 180 minus theta, and then only here we're gonna have sine theta being positive, and then cos theta and tan theta, they're going to be minus and minus, and then there we're gonna have 180 plus theta, and then only here we're gonna have tan theta being positive, and then sine theta and cos theta is going to be minus, negative I mean to say, and then we're gonna have a 360 degrees minus theta, then only here cos theta will be positive, and then sine theta and tan theta will be negative. All right, now in this case, ne, we are given, ne, that sine theta, sine beta is positive. Now remember, the only two quadrants that sine beta is going to be positive, that only that the ratio of sine is going to be positive can either be between quadrant 1 and quadrant 2, so we can actually eliminate these quadrants here. All right, so we can eliminate these quadrants there. Sorry, we can eliminate these quadrants. Let me just eliminate them. Right, so we're gonna eliminate quadrant 3 and 4. Right, now eliminating quadrant 3 and 4. Now the second part of this question there, we are told that cos theta is going to be less than 0. So can you see that in the first quadrant only all the ratios or all the trigonometric functions are all positive? Sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta, they are all positive. And then but we are looking for the quadrant where sine theta is going to be positive and where cos beta is going to be negative. So that only quadrant that only qualifies for that, it has to be only quadrant 2. All right, so the answer to this question basically is going to be, they say that circle the correct answer, is basically going to be quadrant 2. All right, I hope that is understood and you can understand the analogy to the question.